Each day in captivity, I saved a small piece of bread that I'd been given for my breakfast and some water that I had put in the bottom of a plastic cup. And I laid out a paper tissue on the floor, and I took another paper tissue and folded it and made it into the shape of a cross. And I put that before me on the ground. And I said to myself, the communion service. I'm not a clergyman, I'm a layman. There's nothing to prevent you saying a communion service. I said that to myself each day. But as I did it, I also, in my mind, linked myself with churches and congregations that I'd known in the life when I was free and not a captive. And so in my mind, I'd picture these places and I'd take myself there and I'd say the communion service. And I knew that as I was saying that service, there were others around the world who were also saying that service, using the same words, having the same focus, and I could link with them. So I was not alone. I was with a much broader company of people, even though I couldn't see them. And that, for me, meant a great deal. It enabled me to feel that I belonged, that I was there.